Most organizations still rely on legacy file sharing systems, FTP servers, old network drives, or first-gen cloud tools. These systems were built for a different era, long before hybrid work, modern compliance frameworks, or the cyber risks we face today. The result? Fragmented systems. No clear visibility into who's accessing which files, where they're stored, or how they're shared. Sensitive data gets emailed, copied to USB sticks, or pushed through unsanctioned apps, creating blind spots for security and compliance teams. Audits take weeks. External collaboration is clunky at best, or completely insecure. And every new partner or project becomes another manual task for IT. Modern file sharing today needs more than just storage. It's about governance, automation, and control, without slowing down collaboration. That's exactly the problem Kiteworks solves. It replaces legacy tools with one secure platform for sharing, transferring, and storing sensitive data, with full visibility, policy enforcement, and compliance built in.
If it's private, kite it.